So we're gonna jump right in and start talking about the lies of passive income. It's amazing the amount of misinformation that's out there about what it truly means to have passive income and make it work. Let's start with Investopedia's definition, and then I'm gonna break down some more, right? So passive income, earned in various ways, like renting out your home on a home sharing app or selling crafts online. Money earned from an enterprise, which is not the one that I'm talking about the most. Money earned from an enterprise with little or no ongoing effort involved, but most likely the upfront investment of a passive income stream takes time and money. Now that's where all the lies come in. They don't tell you that this takes time and money. So if you don't take the time and you don't have the money, guess what? You will not have passive income, right? Think about a banker, for instance. If he didn't put the tellers and the loan officers and all of those things that make a banking system work, then he would not be able to enjoy the passive income that comes to him with little or no ongoing effort, which is why it becomes passive, right? Other than that, he would have to be there doing a little bit of the loans, a little bit of the doing the teller, all of the above. But that's the most important part about having a passive income online business, is that it's gonna take you some time and some money, but once you do it, as Investopedia says, you'll have little to no ongoing effort as you scale it and structure it appropriately so that you can be a little more hands-off. And why is that possible? Because we have technology, we have phones, we have artificial intelligence. So don't fall for the lies of passive income where it says things like automated passive income, where you don't have to do anything or no risk at all. You have to take all the risk, but that's the benefit of being able to have the results of passive income, which requires you to have little to no ongoing involvement in order to make your money. Peace, love, and power. I'm D'Angelo McKinney. Just wanted to tell you about the lies. Don't fall for the lies, but understand the truth of the matter, which is that the upfront investment of a passive income stream takes time and money. But once you have it set up, the rest is history, right? So go to www.virtualpaydaily.com if you're ready to set yourself up with a passive income online business. We show you exactly how to do it. We got 30,000 people in our community. So we're doing amazing things out here. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Look forward to having you over at www.virtualpaydaily.com and joining our community.